Magna 51. Objective is to show the ease of applying Magna 51. Bend the aluminum strip to a soft curve and straddle it across the other two flat sections. Lift the copper and brass strips from the workbench with either a fire brick or bent wire. This will prevent the heat being absorbed by the workbench. Brush the flux on both joints. Adjust the oxyacetylene torch to a gentle, slightly excess acetylene flame and apply the heat, keeping the torch moving constantly over the three sections. When sufficient heat has been applied, the flux will change color to a light honey shade, and at this stage the alloy melts into each joint. Do not overheat. If this happens, the flux will burn and cease to assist the flow of the alloy. Magna 51 is the most effortless alloy you'll ever use. Takes all jobs in its stride, even zinc die-cast, which everyone agrees is a real headache. Joins dissimilar metals, a constant problem in maintenance, even normally impossible combinations like steel to white metal, copper to aluminum, stainless steel to aluminum. See that perfect result? With ordinary rods, the aluminum would be bent and twisted, and no other rod would join aluminum to brass and copper. Test the strength of the weld. The aluminum bends, but the joint won't break.